This is going to be a video review of the TROND Cruise Power Strip. This does not have surge protection. You cannot use surge protection when you are on a ship. You can use this on major cruise lines such as Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Princess, Norwegian, Disney. The advantage of this is it allows you to plug this power cube into the outlet in a ship, and you get 1, 2, 3 additional outlets, plus you get your USB plugs on the front that accept 2.4 amps of power to charge your cell phone or other appliances such as your video cameras or your cell phone or your laptop. Now, as I said, on a cruise ship you cannot have surge protection and you cannot use extension cords or power strips. You can use a power cube like this that is made by TROND. So let me show you the advantage of this. While you are on the ship, you can plug this into the outlet, and then you can power up your hairdryer, you can power up your shaver, you can power up another appliance. You have all 3 of these plugged in, perfectly safe and usable on a ship. Plus, as I said, you can plug in your cell phone or other appliances that need USB power. You can purchase this from TROND on Amazon. I am going to leave the link in the video description. Click on the link. The price is very reasonable. This has a lot of safety features inside of it so that you can use this on a ship. The TROND 3-outlet extender wall tap. This is a new item. TROND.